Portable Fire Pit. Hello adventure lovers! Today I will introduce you to the Portable Fire Pit, a wonderful product that will make your outdoor events even more special. This portable fire pit is a great option for enjoying the fire while camping, picnics or garden parties. Using the portable fire pit is extremely simple. Place the fire pit on a flat surface, connect the gas cylinder, light the fire using the descent button. Now you can enjoy a fire in your outdoor venue. Installation of the product is quite simple. Place the fire pit on a flat surface, connect the gas cylinder, and light the fire. You can light your fire quickly without having to cut wood or carry fuel. The portable fire pit has a lightweight and portable design. Since it is easily portable, you can set up your campsite wherever you want. Additionally, thanks to its compact size, it can be easily carried in the car or in your bag. Freefolding eye-caring camping light. In this video, we will present you a great product to brighten your campsite and make your outdoor adventures even more special. This portable lighting device is a great option for when camping, hiking, or spending time outdoors at night. This lighting device can be adjusted according to the brightness of the lighting, suitable for different lighting modes, and can even be used as a power bank, so you can charge your mobile phone or other devices. The free-folding camping light is designed to withstand outdoor storage conditions. It is built to be water-resistant and durable, making it ideal for camping or hiking. QUECHUA Solar, Camping Shower and Camping Shower Cubicle. We will show you the QUECHUA Solar Camping Shower and the Camping Shower Cabin, two great products that will improve your camping activities and make you feel clean and comfortable while camping. This bag heats your shower water with solar energy. It allows you to have hot water in your campsite by taking advantage of the natural heating process. This combination will make your camping adventures even more special and show you how easy it can be to shower in nature. HydraPak Contour, portable water tank and drinking system for your outdoor adventures is an incredible product that makes your outdoor activities more convenient and comfortable. This product is a portable water tank and storage system designed to meet water needs and make drinking water easier. It is lightweight and does not take up space when empty. This system offers 3 liters of water capacity. This will keep you hydrated during long hikes, camping, bike tours, or outdoor activities. Wear the HydraPak Contour on your back and easily fill with water from the wide filler neck. You can start drinking water by placing the soft straw in your mouth. A soft straw fits into your mouth more easily and allows you to control the amount of water. The wide filling neck expands with the addition of water. HEIMPLANET, the cave first assembly. This incredible product called the camping tent of the future, which campers see as the tent of their dreams, combines comfort and durability while camping. Now let's take a closer look at this tent to discover the camping of the future. Cave First Assembly is known for its easy installation that lives up to its name. Using this tent is pretty simple. Open the tent and place it on the ground. Inflate the inflatable airframe and wait for the tent to take its shape. You can set it up in just a few minutes, leaving more time to enjoy nature. Its interior offers a spacious and comfortable living space. By combining high ceilings with lighting and ventilation systems, you can experience luxury while camping. Arrange the interior according to your wishes and enjoy camping. Hybrid solar and electric portable oven. For foodies and nature lovers who will make your outdoor meals perfect, I will introduce the hybrid solar and electric portable oven, a great product that will make cooking at your outdoor events even easier. This device can work with both solar energy and electrical energy. Thanks to solar panels, you can use natural energy on sunny days or work with electricity thanks to its integrated battery. Thanks to its portable design, you can take it anywhere. You can cook delicious meals while camping, picnicking, or on caravan trips. Introducing Yakima, XO OpenRange. This next video is for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. I will introduce you to the Yakima XO OpenRange product, which will be an indispensable part of your outdoor activities. This incredible carrying system provides a solution that allows you to easily transport and store your equipment. Installation of this product is quite simple. Made from high-quality materials, this system guarantees durability and longevity. It is resistant to outdoor conditions. The strongest camping hanger, a great helper to organize your camping equipment. We would like to introduce the best camping hanger that will make your outdoor activities even more comfortable. This amazing product is a powerful ally that will help you organize your camping equipment and enhance your camping experience. This hanger is multifunctional. Attachments such as hooks, clips, and eyelets. It can be used to organize a variety of items including clothes, flashlights, tableware, kitchen utensils, and more. It helps you organize your camping equipment with its strong structure, versatility, and compact design. It can be an indispensable item for outdoor enthusiasts. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. This chair doubles your outdoor enjoyment with its comfortable rocking feature. Swaying while listening to the sounds of nature or watching the stars is truly fascinating. It has a foldable design and comes with a carrying bag. You can easily carry it to your campsite or beach. The most mobile tap and amp sink in the world. In our last video, I will introduce you to the Pocket Sink, a wonderful product that will make your outdoor adventures more comfortable and hygienic. Known as the world's most portable faucet and sink, this product will further enrich your outdoor life. Thanks to its foldable and lightweight design, you can take it anywhere. A perfect option for your campsite, picnic, or caravan trip. Pocket Sink functions as both a faucet and a sink at the same time. While providing clean water, you can also easily drain the used water. It can also be used for many different purposes, such as washing hands, cooking, or cleaning. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of more content.